The perfect post-closing follow-up system that generates referrals on autopilot. Walk through a 12-month touchpoint plan after a deal closes. The perfect post-closing follow-up system that generates referrals on autopilot. What if your past clients were sending you referrals while you slept? That's not fantasy. That's what happens when you build the right follow-up system. Today, I'm walking you through a complete 12-month post-close plan that keeps you top of mind, builds loyalty, and generates referrals consistently without you having to think about it. Why most agents don't have a system. It's not laziness, it's overwhelm. You're managing active clients, chasing leads, doing showings, handling paperwork. Follow up on past clients falls to the bottom of the list every time. That's why you need to systematize it. A system removes the thinking. You just execute. The agents doing $5 million to $10 million plus in production aren't working harder. They have better systems. The 12-month post-close follow-up calendar. Week 1, personal thank you text plus handwritten card in the mail. Week 2, how's the first week? Check-in. Month 1, phone call, ask how the home is, mention any referrals welcome. Month 2, email with local home maintenance tips for the season. Month 3, drop off a small gift, local bakery treat, plant, branded item. Month 4, market update email. What's happening in their neighborhood? Month 6, how's life in the home? Call plus referral ask month 9. Holiday card or seasonal touchpoint. Month 12, home anniversary. Send a card, small gift, or call. Ongoing monthly newsletter, social media engagement. Tools to automate. You don't have to do all of this manually. Tools like CRM systems, Follow Up Boss, Lion Desk, KV Core, to schedule reminders, send out cards or handwritten for automated card mailing, MailChimp or ActiveCampaign for email sequences, a simple Google Calendar with recurring reminders. Pick the simplest tool you'll actually use. A basic spreadsheet with reminders beats a sophisticated CRM you never open. The referral trigger points. Not every touch point is a referral ask, but certain ones are. Flag these moments in your calendar. Month 1 call, month 6 call, month 12 anniversary. At these 3 points, intentionally work in your referral ask using the script from the previous video. 3 intentional asks per client per year equals dramatically more referrals. Ready to stop chasing and start closing? If you're ready to stop wasting money on cold leads and start building a referral-based business that works for you year after year, the One Referral Away coaching program was built exactly for you. Our proven system teaches real estate agents, mortgage lenders, insurance agents, and financial planners how to build powerful referral networks without cold calling, door knocking, or spending a fortune on advertising. Courses, coaching, community, results. Visit us today at www.onereferralaway.com and take the first step toward the referral-based business you deserve. You are always just one referral away from your next great client. The question is, are you building the relationships that make that referral inevitable? One Referral Away, www.onereferralaway.com. YouTube, One Referral Away.
For anyone that was watching, how would they sign up for your course? Or, I mean, is there any course options or stuff like that?
Thank you for asking. So this is onereferralaway.com. Thank you very much for asking, AJ. If people do want to hire me to coach them, this is how we do it.
Got it.
So you go to onereferralaway.com and you see this bouncing here.
Mm-hmm.
Click on that button and this explains the course.
Got it.
This is the curriculum. It's all webinar based. It's a recording of webinars. It's 6 or 7 hours long total. There's my bio and some testimonials. There's my wife and there's all kinds of cool. There's a mortgage lender, financial planner, attorney. I could put 200 of them on here, but there's no need. The options to buy, this button right here, it's $795 to purchase the course or 3 payments of $279. And it comes with all of these recorded webinars. And right here, you can see right there, it comes at 2 hours of one-on-one with me.
Awesome.
Now, if somebody needs more than that, we're going to back up and we're going to click on this button over here. And then 1 hour of one-on-one coaching is $250, 2 hours, $395. Most people, AJ, do the 6 hours for $995. Now, with that, I don't like to do longer than an hour straight because it's overwhelming for both of us. 6 hours, that's 24 15-minute sessions, or 12 30-minute sessions, or 6 1-hour sessions, or a whole crap ton of 10-minute sessions. I'll break it up any way somebody wants. And I'm generally don't stare up my watch, so that 6 hours probably turns into 7 or 8, honestly, when it's done.
Yeah.
So that's the way. But start here with the onereferralaway.com, and you click that button, and that's the course, and that's how you join.